Welcome to Autodesk Revit for project managers. At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer instructor-led live online courses that introduce each trainee to the essentials needed to help launch them into the world of Revit for project managers. This course is designed to give an overview of the Autodesk Revit content for architecture, MEP, and structural content, as well as providing the fundamentals that benefit a project manager. Completion of this one-day course will enable students to understand the purpose of building information modeling, navigate the Autodesk Revit workspace and interfacing, work with base modifying and modeling tools, troubleshoot elements within the model, learn how to view model projects, put together construction documents by adding views to sheets that can be printed, export file types such as AutoCAD and DXF formats, work within schedules in the model, linking and importing CAD files into the Autodesk Revit model for projects, and use of work sets in collaborative environments. IMAGINIT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class to help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow. Each attendee will access Autodesk Revit through our unique lab and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. Topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help each student review projects, work within a model, start multidisciplinary projects, and work within project collaboration. In addition, throughout the course, each student will discover how to use general sketching tools, edit elements, troubleshoot various warnings within the model, modify the view display options, add callout view types, create elevation and section views, work within schedules, set up sheets for printing your sheets, export files out of Revit, import and link files into the Revit model, use work sharing, and work with dimensions and text. Our experienced and knowledgeable instructors take project managers through how Revit functions best, sparking ideas for implementing new ideas while giving employees the confidence to transition into the software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting project managers in tackling the daily obstacles and helping them move through the work problems and issues more efficiently and quicker. Upon completion of this course, project managers will gain the confidence to open existing models and navigate seamlessly while easily moving through the various views in order to manage the project with more ease. IMAGINIT's Autodesk Revit for Project Managers course equips project managers with the capacities and capabilities they need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in building information modeling tools that work the way architects and engineers think.